What I've got here is a Moen kitchen sink. Let me just open it up for you. Just wanted to show it to you. We're going to be going upstairs and installing it in just a few minutes. So here's what we got to do. We got to get rid of this cheap old faucet, clean up the area, and put in a brand spanking new one, the Moen. Okay, so now we're going to do this. We're going to put in the lines carefully and get the thing installed. There we go. And there it is. Is that a huge improvement or what? Look at that. You know, there's a reason why I picked Moen. I like the style of the faucet. I like the quality of the product. And because I own the building, I like the idea that I am not going to have to do this again in just a couple of years. This is something I did today, and this faucet is going to last me for a long, long time. So when I spend my money on something, that is one of the big considerations. So thanks, Moen, for making a nice faucet for me, and thank you for watching.